It's what we're here for. We got called out here because the owner of the property kept having to pay somebody, a plumber, to come out here and continuously cable the line. He kept on backing up. So he called us out here to video camera it. Is what we determined. It's got several bellies where they're holding water, and it's scaled up real bad. So it's what we're going to do. We're going to use a cutter to go in there and clean the descaled line. We're going to camera it again and see if there's any imperfections in the line. And if there is, we're going to go ahead and proceed with putting a liner inside the cast iron. So first thing we have to do, we have to video it. So we have already a bunch of scale piled up. Full of water, bunch of scale debris. What we're doing after we've video camered the line, cleaned the line, removed all the debris. Now we've measured and got our measurement for our liner. So now we're laying out the liner to introduce resin so we can move on to our next step. All right, now that we've cambered the line, cleaned the line, now we're ready for the lining process. Well, it's what Jeremy's doing now. He's pre-mixing the B because it's 2 chemicals, so you got to pre-mix the B chemical. Once he's done mixing that, we'll pour the B into the bucket for our weight that we need to line the line. All right, this is what we're fixing to do. Fixing to install epoxy into this cloth-like material. And once we've done that, we'll install it in, we'll put it into this inversion head, like so, and then cuff back approximately about 4 inches, and then sleeve it over this head. We'll cuff it back, cover over here, hose clamp it down. Then we'll take and roll it up inside this inverter. Once we've got the whole line inside the inverter, we'll introduce air into the back of the inverter, which in turn will turn that liner, the cloth material, into inside out like you do a sock. Once that's down the line that we're lining, we'll take this clear calibration tube, roll it up into the inverter the same way, and introduce it into the line that's lined, inflate it, let it cure, ambient cure for 3 to 4 hours, or we can steam cure it. Once we either ambient cure or steam cure it, we'll pull this calibration tube back out, video camera the line, make sure we didn't see any imperfections in our liner, and we got a line with inside a line. Once we've pulled the calibration tube out, camera the line should look just like this. It's durable. It becomes a structural repair. So if there's no pipe there, as long as there's a cavity, it can be lined. And that's what we have.